The device has two modes, passive and active. The passive voice muffling mode is provided by the insulator, which is embedded inside the mask, as well as by the ergonomic embouchures, which, on the one hand, prevent your voice from spreading beyond the mask, and from the other hand, keep the external noise from getting into the microphone. So the person on the other end will hear you clearly, but the people nearby will not be able to understand a single word which you've pronounced while wearing the mask. The active voice masking mode is provided by the electronics, which is located in the headband. The button pressing activates the external speakers, which are located on the perimeter of the mask. These speakers will generate sound. While using the mask in the active mode, the resulting sound will, in any case, be lower than the sound from your voice itself without a mask, so you will not cause any inconvenience to others.
On behalf of the entire Hushme team, I would like to thank you all for following us and supporting our project.
Hushme, keep talking.
Glasses have always helped us master light. They bend it, focus it, shield us from it. But these are not your standard glasses. They have a light of their own. A light that connects you to the people you care about, gets you where you need to go, and helps you prioritize the things that matter. Technology that's there when you need it, gone when you don't, hidden by design. Introducing Focals by North, your smartest pair of glasses.
Once upon a time, phones mostly did this. But for the past 10 years, our phones have gotten super smart, and now they do this, 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 and this. Yet, in that same 10 years, our phones have gone from here to here. Physical usability has not changed, and so all too often, we find ourselves suffering from this, and this. So, we made this, the oHsnap grip. The thinnest, most durable, and most powerful phone grip ever. And just like that, it's there when you need it and not when you don't. Sure, you can use your phone like this, but the oHsnap grip makes your phone better. And because it's quick and easy to slide your finger in the loop with one hand, you'll save yourself from a whole lot of this. It also rotates, so you always get the angle that works for your unique style. And unlike other grips, we made ours compatible with wireless charging. But that wasn't good enough, so we took wireless charging to the next level with SnapCharge, our magnetic wireless charger. It's designed to be where you need it, when you need it. It finds and aligns itself to the optimal charging spot, so you'll never have to deal with this anymore. This is the missing link we've all been waiting for, made possible by making it incredibly slim. So say goodbye to this. And for those times you want to do this, but it keeps doing that, we gave it a multi-angle kickstand. And because it's magnetic, it'll stick to this, 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 or even this. Because it shouldn't be so hard to stick your phone wherever you want it. The steel ring that attaches to the back of your phone secures the grip with confidence while also protecting your phone from the magnets inside. The oHsnap grip was designed to make life with your phone happy, productive, and carefree, and we want that for everybody, which is why it works with all phones, all cases, and all hands. So no matter what, this grip is for you. I'm Dale Backus, founder of oHsnap and creator of the oHsnap grip. We're a small team obsessed with building the most beautiful, functional, non-annoying phone accessories in the world. Our first campaign was a success, but after shipping thousands of units, we realized we could do better. We're building an ecosystem of amazing products with this phone grip at its center, and this is just the start. For the price of a few lattes, you can hold, mount, stand, and secure your phone better than ever. So if that sounds good to you, and you're ready for a better smartphone experience, then back us today.
Dear Nature, sometimes we pledge you our support. Sometimes we share our concerns too. But then, that's all we do. But now, no more waiting. It's time to PICO. A tiny farm that fits in your palm. PICO is your self-watering, self-lit companion that takes care of plants. Yep, it actually grows plants and herbs for you. It gives your plants the power of the sun and grows along with them. It waters itself, so you don't have to. That means no more guesswork. PICO lets you be a little lazy, but a whole lot more responsible. Done, done, and done. So, the next time you want to show your support, why don't you just stick it, hang it, or place it on pretty much every surface around you. Dear nature, welcome home.
Servant! There is a malodor. Make it be gone. I want only to smell the sweet breeze from the Nile and the lotus that grows there.
Smells like someone's having cat odor trouble.
Hi, whether you're a cat-loving princess or just stuck living with one and forced to clean their cat's mess, you'll want to hear this.
Tired of smells that make you think twice before inviting your friends over?
Tired of scooping poop for a living?
Tired of walking into a nightmare of a public bathroom every time nature calls? I present to you the Amy Cat. Tell them what they've won, Bob.
Well, it's a brand new Amy Cat, an all-new smart self-cleaning litter box. It does all the dirty work, so you don't have to. Its smart sensors know exactly when it's business time. It then goes to work separating all those clumps and trapping them in a negative pressure sealed chamber. But that's not all. It has a removable carbon filter that scrubs the air clean, thus making sure there's a fresh, clean bed of glitter. Haha, I mean litter waiting for your little guy each and every time they enter.
The Amy Cat will save you money, as you'll be using about 50% less cat litter than you used before.
And if you've been buying about a box a week of that odor-fighting litter, this thing will pay for itself in no time.
What? This will save us $676 a year.
That's right. And I know some of you have been going through more than a box a week. I'm talking to you, multiple cat owners.
You'll also take ease in knowing that one Amy Cat can be comfortably shared by up to 4 cats. No more need for multiple boxes spread out all over the house.
Won't my cats be afraid of it?
Is your cat a scaredy cat? No problem. They'll be fine. Once they use it, they'll never want to go back to their old litter box.
Will it awaken me? Servant? What was that?
Nothing.
It's no louder than your refrigerator.
Wait a minute. How easy is it to clean?
Super easy, in fact. Just use the one-click cat litter change button, located here. And the cat litter will empty into the lined bin. Should you need to, just pop off the top and spray it down.
Ugh. Sorry about that.
Can we afford it?
Can you afford not to?
Order right now, and you'll qualify for the super early bird price of $229. That's a savings of 30% off the MRSP of $329. As an added bonus, we'll bless your Amy Cat box absolutely free. Search Amy Cat on Kickstarter. That's AIMICAT. Order now.